Good morning, Year Twos. Welcome to a new week of learning more about money. Now, I know you started learning about money with Miss Whitmarsh last week, so you may want any money that you were using last week in front of you to help you, or if you've cut up any notes or anything like that, you can use those. It doesn't matter if you haven't got any money, you can always draw them out. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do for one of our sessions. And if you can see, I've drawn out the notes and I've drawn out coins. So as long as you've got a pen and a piece of paper, there'll be plenty of opportunities during this video where I'll tell you to pause and then we'll get on with some of the activities. Okay, are you ready? So today we are going to carry on counting money. Okay. So have a look at this screen here. Oops. Ravi here, this is Ravi. He's trying to pay £7.75. Now, I wonder if from the money there, has he got the right amount, because he wants to buy this pot of jam, which is £7.75, which is quite expensive for a pot of jam, but never mind. So have a little look at this. Pause for as long as you need. Have a look at how many notes he's got and how much that is worth, and the coins, and see, has he got £7.75? Let's find out. Okay, I don't know how to get rid of this bit. Let me just try. There we go. Oh, but now I haven't got it again. This is all new technology for me. Okay, so we're going to count the pounds first, because that's what we do when we count money, because they are they're bigger than pence. So we look at the notes, because we found out from last week that the notes are larger value. So we've got £5 here. Now we're going to count the other pounds. This is a £2 coin. So 5, 6, 7, £7. Now we've got to count the pence. So this is 20. We know that 20 is made up of 2 tens. 20, 40, 60, and 5. So here he's got £7.65. So he hasn't got the correct amount of money. I wonder if we look at the bottom here. I'm not sure you're going to see my screen properly. Let's have a look. We've got 5, 6, £7. And we can't see my screen properly. £7, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72, 74, £75. So we've managed to make the right amount in the end. Okay, next screen. Oh, this is the same as what was on the previous screen. You can see it better here. So we've got the £5 to £1. So we've made it slightly different from before. And now we're counting the pence. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72, 74, 75 pence. Okay. It's really important that we're really good at counting in tens and counting in twos and counting in fives, because that's really going to help us with the money. Sometimes I find, I was just going to see if I can draw on it. Oh, no. Sometimes I put 2 little dots under the 2, if that helps you to know that that's worth 2. 10, I sometimes write the 10 underneath so that you know that that means 10. Okay, look at the next slide. Now I want you to have a go at doing these ones and writing the amount down on a piece of paper. And I'm going to show you the answers afterwards. So we've got £10 here and £5 here. 10, a 5 and a £1. Then count your pence. And then the second one, we've got a 50 here. Oh, don't often see a £50 note. They're a lot of money. A 20 and another 20 and a 2 and another 2. And then count your pence. Okay, I want you to pause the video now, and we're going to go through the answers in a second. Off you go. Hi, I'm back. Now I'm very full on now. So I'm going to show you how we work out those two answers that we've got there. So I've written them down like this so that you can see, because that's my easiest way of doing it. So here I've got £10, I've got £5, so 10 plus 5 is 15, plus the £1, so I know that that's going to be £16. And then my pence, I've got 10 plus 5, which I know is 15. So I've got £16 and 15 pence. Did you get that one right? And now let's look at the second one here. Goodness me, so we've got 50, and these are in 20s, and I know that's 2 lots of 10, so I could count in 10s if I needed to. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 92, 94. So I know that the pounds is 94, and my pence is 50, 60, 70, 72, 73. Put my total in there. Ooh. £94 and 73p. Well, that's definitely more than what's in my pocket at the moment. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the sharing of my screen. Here it is. Okay, so they're the ones that we've just done. Okay, your next activity is to now, I want you to draw these amounts. So just like I drew, where I drew the notes and I drew the coins, I wonder if you can show me the amounts of money here. I'm wondering if I could have a go at drawing on the screen to make it easier. So you've got to make £10 and 60 pence. You can make it in any way you want. You've got to make £89 and 25 pence. And you've also got to make £13 and 13 pence. So I want you to pause the video, go off and have a little go at doing that. And I shall be back with you with some answers in a minute. Okay. Maybe I'll save the drawing for tomorrow's lesson. I did try and have a go earlier. Okay, so I'm going to stop my screen. If you've had a little go at doing all of those, I'm just going to double check. I think that's the last one it is. And we'll go through the answers together. Stop sharing. So back to me again. So it says to show the amount of money. So we had 10p, £10 and 60p. Okay, so I'm going to make it really easy for myself, and I am going to draw a £10 note, and I'm going to make a 50p and a 10p. That's one way of making £10 and 60. £10, 50, 60. I wonder if you came up with another way. There are lots of different ways. I'm going to show you just one more. You could have done, let me see. What do I know makes 10? I know that 5 and 5 makes 10. So I could have done that way. And let me have a think. How could I make 60? I've used 20, 40, 60. So that's one way, that's another way of making £10 and 60 pence. I wonder if you found another way. There are more, so go off and challenge yourself. The next one was £89 and 25 pence. So I'm going to think of the biggest note, the biggest value that we've got below 89. And we looked at those big ones earlier. So I'm going to do 50. Oh, this is a hard one. Let me see if I've got the right number of pounds. 50, 60, 70, 80, 5. So they're all my notes. 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got £89, and now I need to make 25 pence. So I can do a 20p and a 5p. Goodness me, that took quite a long time. I wonder if you found a different way. And the last one was finding £13 and 13 pence. So I'm trying to think of the highest value note or coin up to 13. And we know that there's a 10. So let's see if I've got my pounds right. I've got 10, 11, 12, 13 pounds. And I now need my 13 pence. Let's have a look at this one. I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. So I've got the right number there. You can find a different way of doing it. So your challenge today is to find different ways of making those amounts, of counting the money. There will be a follow-up sheet attached afterwards if you want to do it. But if you don't, and you've done the activities with me this morning, then that's plenty for today. Okay, I shall be back tomorrow with some more money work. Until then, bye-bye.